Yan, kung pagising mo sa umaga, ganyan ang view talaga, makita mo yung mountain, napakaganda, 'di ba? Maganda kasi super greenery pa yung paligid. Okay? And then, yun nga lang dito lahat ng kawad ng kuryente. So parang spaghetti, gano'n. So, yan yung main road. Ayan, ganda, 'di ba? Maganda pa talaga siya kasi hindi pa siya maingay. Ayan, pag dito guys naman, kitang-kita mo yung dagat. Actually, that yung, nandun yung baywalk. Hi guys! So, we're back again to this house. So, this is located here in OLV Pangpang, Sorsogon City. Kaya samahan niyo ako kasi nalinisan na yung bahay. So, I don't know if this is for rent, if this okay for them to rent, or they are really prioritizing for sale. So we're back here. So as you can see behind my back, so that is the house. So the owner said it's 4.6, but actually in the post is 4.5. Kaya samahan niya ako kasi malinis na yung bahay. Tara. Okay, so actually this is the 18th Street upper extension that is going to the main street, and this is a corner lot. Okay guys, so this is a corner lot. Ayan, napakaganda. That's my 5. Ayan. So, dito, okay na yung road kasi two-way street na siya. And then, going there, wala pa tong next door neighbor. It's still vacant. At ito, bagong-bago din lang. And then, ito, gagawin tong kalsada. Right? And this one is also going up there. We've been there before we come here today. And it's already a fully cemented road. So, marami pang bakante doon na lupa. And then ngayon, papasok na tayo. So, last time nang pumunta kami dito, hindi ako umakyat. So, daan tayo dito sa maliit na gate. So, actually guys, kay dalawa yung gate nito. One small gate. So, kasya yung if you have a scooter, bike, at saka yung pagtao lang. Diyan, ayan, malaki siya. So, pag may car kayo, kahit 4-wheel drive or maliit na sasakyan, kasyang-kasya. Okay? Kahit van, kahit nga bus, kasya dyan guys. So, malaki. So far ito yung labas niya. Ayan, andyan na si Rick. Tumitingin na siya. And actually, 2 floors, 2-story. Maganda actually guys, from labas, maganda yung pagkakaano niya. Hindi mo siya halatang na yung loob niya is malaki pala. Okay? And then, so last time, hindi ako dito umakyat. Ito yung hagdan pupunta doon sa taas. Ayan. So, siguro akyatin natin. Alright. Samahan niyo ako. Let's. Wow. Wow, this is a bit scary, huh? Alright, careful, Raquel, careful. Alright, careful. You're right. Okay. Ayan, so andito tayo ngayon sa taas. Papakita ko sa inyo yung view dito sa taas. Yan. So, yan, kung pagising mo sa umaga, ganyan ang view talaga, makita mo yung mountain, napakaganda, 'di ba? Maganda kasi super greenery pa yung paligid. Okay? And then, yun nga lang dito lahat ng kawad ng kuryente. So, parang spaghetti. Gano'n. So, yan yung main road. Ayan, ganda, di ba? Maganda pa talaga siya kasi hindi pa siya maingay. Ayan, pag dito guys naman, kitang-kita mo yung dagat. Actually, that yung, nandun yung baywalk. So, it means mataas na to na lugar. Elevated na to. Okay, so pag isum natin, makikita natin yung baywalk doon. Okay, so dagat yon, kitang-kita mo yung dagat. So, eto tayo. And actually, ito yung master's bedroom nila. Okay, kaso nga lang, wala pa silang daanan. At yan, may veranda. So, pag pupunta tayo dyan, hindi tayo makakapasok. Okay, so may something na, ano din siya, safe. Diba? So, yun. So, bababa na tayo. Okay. At yan, fully glass yung kanyang ano. At yan yung neighborhood. Baba na tayo. Ay, careful Rick, ha? Kit na si Rick.
Look at that. Gates.
It should be here.
Take a picture of it.
Which? This?
Yeah, the rail. And then
Alright.
entryway in.
Guys, talaga ang ganda talaga ng mountain na a-attract ako pag yung mga mountainous. Alright, careful there, careful. Ayan. So, isa lang yung hagdanan pataas. So, just in case ibigay ito sa amin. So, Rick wanted it to cut here for a gate para may access papunta dito. Diba? So, ngayon baba na tayo. Okay, so ito yung balcon and car park or garage. Ayan, yes, diba? So, yan yung gate. Makita nyo talaga. Actually, maganda yung pagkakapundasyon ng bahay na ito. Makikita nyo naman. And then, yan yung main door. So, once you enter there, yan yung main door.
Three for these 3 lights.
And then, i-walk through ko muna kayo dito sa kabila. Okay? So, ito yung side ng bahay dito sa left side. Okay? So, at least may may space. Hindi siya wall to wall kasi yung iba ginagawa nila is wall to wall. So, wala kang espasyo just in case something may mga mangyari. Oh, ayan. Alright. So, ito yung back door. Okay, ito yung back door. Yan. So far, malaki pa din ang space dito sa back door. Marami kang magagawa. Diba? At ito nga guys, yung next next lot. Ayan, ito sinasabi ko, bakante pa siya. Dati po. Ayan, so I don't know if somebody owns this already or this is still on the market for sale. So, nakakaano dyan, baka kasi kung may ahas na papunta dito, so kailangan malinisan din dyan. Alright. So, ngayon naman, ito naman is dito naman to sa kabilang side. Okay? So, ikutin natin while mag-aantay tayo ng dito. Si Sir Rico. Diba? So, ito naman yung kabilang side. Ngayon, enter na tayo dito. Ayan, pasok na tayo. So, entrance. Okay, malinis na siya. Oh, ayan, may nakaabang na din siya na Converge. And then, okay, yan. Okay. Let's try some lights. So that is for the corner. That one.
Probably doesn't work.
Yeah. He said it has a remote, diba? May remote. Yan. Okay. Oh, diba? Biglang lumaki nang nawala ang kalat. Ayan. Pwede dyan storage. Okay, so iikot ko muna kayo dito sa loob. So, ayan, di naman tinanggal yung little bar here. Okay, yan. Listen. And then,
Take a picture of this.
you want this just to be removed?
Take a picture of this.
Okay. This one. Okay.
This can stay here.
Okay. So only the little fixing. This one. Ayan. That.
see any lighter working on this one.
Maybe it needs a lighter. It needs a lighter. Dito guys, ito na yung pwede washing machine, ganun. And then, apps, okay. Natin siyang ano dyan. Okay. Sira pala to. Ano lang pala to. Hindi ko mabuksan. Ito yung back door. At least maganda, parang tahimik dito, no? Tahimik kasi ang gusto niya eh. Yan. So guys, ito na yung, di ba, yung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina. Malinis na siya, okay? And then, ito na yung master's bedroom. Di ba? Malaki siya. May aircon na din. And then, yung bathroom niya. So, yan na yung door papunta dun sa taas. Okay. Oh, at may salamin. So, baba na tayo. Yan. Hello, Sir Rico. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next YouTube video. So let's wait what is Rick's decision about this house, and as well as the owner. Bye! Thank you so much. God bless.